I know that I don't feel okay. I hate it cause it's every day. I'm making up my own mistakes. I'm hoping that I'll be replaced. I'm waiting cause you're in my way. I hate it cause it's every day. I feel alone even if...
Guys, what's up? Alright, so it's another vlog, another quarantine vlog. So today guys, mag-visit kami sa isa sa mga staycation and we haven't been there. So today is our first time. Ano guys, wala pa ako sa wisyo, hindi ko pa alam na sabihin ko. So ayun guys, later I'm gonna show you the name of the villa is Fabrika Villa. So sa mga nakakaalam at sa mga hindi, Fernandinos, ganyan after ng lockdown, you may visit it kung meron din kayong, you know, if you want to unwind. But of course, you have to follow some safety precautions and health protocols. Kasi alam niyo naman, very complex yung situation natin ngayon. Kaya kailangan mag-extra ingat. And, yan. Good afternoon! I'm not sure why we have that background song. So we have Susie's Cuisine dishes, another Susie's pizza, water. Hey, sexy.
Wait.
Uy, ang short na ng hair mo. I miss your long hair.
Me too. Kung nag-last tayong gala, mahaba.
Mahaba, no? True. So pretty naman. Bes, ano kasi yung tattoo mo? Kasi yan?
Self-love.
Meron ka na? Alam mo yan?
Red flags. Purple. Nabi.
Yung meron kang tattoo na self-love, pero ang alam mo ay
Pero
red
pag
flags.
nakita ko daw siya, pinapaalalahanan niya ako na, Oops.
Oops. Ay, God.
Oops, ouch, mo.
Hindi.
Masakit yan.
Hindi ba? Ganito ko. Oops. I did it.
Ay, ganun ba?
Oh my gosh! Halos di na kita,
Kakapasok pa lang.
wait lang yung pansit.
Ay, sorry.
Di na kita ma-recognize.
Ang hoe.
10 years na tayo hindi nakikita.
May think that I know too much, but now it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. You my salty crush. I'm doing something different. Your name's been on my tongue. My cup's been looking fuller. You're picking apart my walls, and baby, let's settle up. Cause lately the world's been going crazy, and I gon' need somebody to talk.
Wait lang. Whoa! The Vento Suites. Planta Betis Fabrika.
My friends on the internet talk to me more than my real ones do.
Alright! Cheers! Hi ate. Lalabas ka lang mabilisan sa channel. Sa channel na hindi.
Pirma ka na.
Ayoko na.
Pwede na. Pinagyan mo na rin kita. Email mo na lang.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah.
Wow! Ang layo naman. Tamang-tama lang yung niya. Yung layo, tsaka yung lapit.
You look so fine. What's up, what's up? How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time.
Ay, mag-brush na ang brush.
Ito niya. Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng bag. Ay, apat lang.
Kaya saan na ba? Yeah.
Ganito pa yung context niya. So, kapag nakapag
so this is how the entrance looks like. Wow! May mga padaan. Okay. This is the detail. Details. So, yeah. So we have two chairs, classy chairs. And guys, mamaya itutur ko kayo sa bathroom, but now allow me to give you a glimpse of what's outside, and let's go inside. Okay, so this is, yeah, good for 4. And then we have small refrigerator. Dahil small lang siya, refrigerator. Wow. And then we have small table. Look at the door, very classy. Ha? Pwede rin. Pero mas gusto ko yung ano.
Wala akong sleepers na lang sa
What you doing? Wow.
Mag-overnight ba si Miss Kay?
Nope.
So, 4 lang tayo.
What do you mean, 4? We can use this? Oh. Kaya nandun na sa table. Ay, tara kunin na. Hindi ba yun yung nasa table?
Ice coffee. Ay! Ice coffee yung nandun eh.
Wow. Oh. Bia, ang ganda naman. Oh, picture na kita dyan. Ano ba yan? Corny mo. Picture kita, Gagi. Maganda dyan, no? Maganda ka.
Anong po?
Hi, mahal!
Hi!
Good looking. Good looking naman
Hello
yan.
po.
Kanya kayo ng Anaconda movie-like feeling because of the ambience, which is so good. Yan. Super relaxing. Mahal, parang nasa bahay niyo lang. Hi, guys! Wee! So handsome! What? Ang sasarap po nila. Yummy!
Ginawa niya.
Wala.
Pakita ng pusod ng
Skater boy, why'd you pick up and leave? Skater boy, look what you done to me. I am not a toy that you can just play with. How all of a sudden you acting jaded. Oh, keep it on the low. Said that you just wanna keep it casual. No, can't believe I did. Fell for you, the virgin inside my head. Deja vu,
Sexy ba? Oh, ganito pala yung lamig.
Dala natin to.
Hoy! Hi guys! So this is our room. Let's have the room tour. Yeah.
Ay, grab po, di ba?
Yeah. Hi, Bess!
Bess!
So guys, so this is Bess. The birthday girl. This is the
yung
BFF.
Yung gawa na?
We can have that also. Or
Yung gawa na?
peekaboo.
Ha?
Pwede. Yeah.
Ay, di yung...
Mahal! What? Hi. Ow, I can't zoom in.
Hi.
Zoom in.
Angel pa.
Angeline.
Hi, mahal.
Angeline.
Panalili.
Pana.
Hi, BF.
Tapos nasa yung charger mo dito, yung malaki.
What? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday!
Feeling ko maghiwalay na po sana si
What? What? Hi guys, so time check. It's now 6:35 in the evening and we will check the outside view. Hi Mahal, are you enjoying your stay?
Yes, of course. Thank you, birthday girl.
Whoa! Yeah, thank you. So, tomorrow I will turn 23. Wow, bigla ko pala yung may birthday. No, I'm just kidding. So, ayan guys. So, a glimpse of our collatery room. Wow. So, ayan guys. So, meron namang enough space para sa mga gamit nyo. Ayan, so mag-check-in na kayo dito of 7,000 lang. Meron na kayong space for 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan, additional...
Actually, 5.
Are you happy? Maganda yung view sa labas.
Ganda. Super. Andun sila.
Hey guys, this is the view at night. Very relaxing.